Hello, we are going to work on the frog census assignment today, and hopefully everything that is in this assignment you are familiar with. So the first thing I need to do is open up a blank Excel document, bring it over here where you can see it, and we are going to create a spreadsheet, and the data is in the PDF instruction file. So I'm just going to go ahead and type that in here. Once you have everything typed in from the information on the PDF, you want to save your information and then widen your columns as needed so you can see all of the text. We are going to merge and center A1 to F1. And we are also going to merge and center A2 to F2. And we are going to bold and center A4 to F4. We're going to change the fill color of cell A1 and A2 to green. And we're going to click in A12. And we are going to align text right and bold. From B12 to F12, we're going to place a top and a double bottom border. And in F5, we are going to insert a function that's going to total the frog species. And then we are going to copy that formula down to F11. We are going to go to B12. And we are going to insert a function that's going to total everything for the month. And then we are going to copy that formula over to F12. If we show our formulas, we can use the keyboard shortcut with the control key and the tilde, which is the key next to the number 1 on your keyboard. And that's going to show you this is where all of your formulas should be. You can also go to the Formula tab and click on the Show Formulas. If you want to turn it off, just either hit Control tilde again or click on that Show Formulas key. We're going to change our orientation to landscape. So we're going to come up here to our page layout. Here's our orientation. We want it to be landscape. And we want to adjust the columns so our spreadsheet fits one page. So here is our lines over here. Lets us know that where our page is ending. We are going to preview and make sure our document is just fitting on one page. And we're going to insert a header and footer. In our header information, we want our name. And then today's date to normal view. we're going to create a chart that shows the data on a separate worksheet. So we're going to select just our flat data here, and we're going to go and insert a chart. And we want it on a separate spreadsheet, so I'm going to come over here to Move Chart, to a new sheet, say OK. We need to make sure that if it has a chart title that you put it on here. And make sure that you're presenting the data. So I've got all of my information here. I'm going to go ahead and change my layout so that I have my months over here on the side. It's just how I prefer it. It's however you want to create it. If you want to make some changes, just make it look a little better. However you want to do it is fine. And now you're ready to save this and submit it for grading.